everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, if you want to know how I got all of this that you see in front of you for completely free and actually made $1.91, stay tuned. Let's check this out. Okay, guys, I am absolutely in love with this new series that I am doing with Walgreens. I did another pickup order today with Walgreens.com. Of course, I got all of this for completely free and I made a little money on top of it. So let's talk about this. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Rakuten.com. Log in and go to the Walgreens part. It will automatically shift you over to the Walgreens website where you will check out. This is going to give you a little bit of extra money savings that's going to go towards that Moneymaker. Now, if you are not signed up for Rakuten, go to the description box below and sign up using my code right now and do your first order because it is amazing. It doesn't do anything different other than give you cash back on things you were already going to buy. It gives you a percentage back. Today was not a huge percentage back. It was only 2%. It was up to 3% for like contact lenses today, but it was 2% back for everything else. So not a huge savings, but every little bit counts. And if you sign up today, you are going to get an extra bonus. Sign up and do your first order, and I think you get $30 automatically when you do your first one. So definitely make sure you sign up. Okay, so let's talk about each individual deal. The first deal I want to talk about is going to be the Colgate. So as you can see, I have two Colgates here. The Optic White toothpaste is the stain fighter ones are the ones I actually purchased. So these are on sale for $2.99, which is going to take your total up to $5.98. Then you're going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon. That 3 off digital coupon comes off. You're going to pay $2.98 out of pocket. Then you're going to get a $3 register reward, as you can see right there on Colgate and Palmolive products, making these completely free, which is amazing deal. The next deal let's talk about is the Dove. So I grabbed one Dove shampoo and one Dove conditioner. These are on sale for $4 each or $8 total. There is a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure that is loaded. Pay out of pocket $5 and you're going to get $2 in Walgreens cash, making the final cost just $3 or $1.50 each. However, we're going to put this together with a booster, so it's going to end up being free in a Moneymaker, but right now it's $1.50 each if you happen to do these deals individually. All right, let's talk about the Garnier Fructis that we have here, shampoo and conditioner. So these are regularly priced $3.49 or on sale. I'll pop it up here. So $6.98 total. We do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that's a manufacturer coupon, and then you also All right, let's talk about the Garnier Fructis that we have here, shampoo and conditioner. So these are regularly priced $3.49 or on sale. I'll pop it up here. So $6.98 total. We do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that's a manufacturer coupon, and then you also want to load the $1 off 1 digital coupon that is a store coupon. It will come off 2 times, so $1 each. So total $5 comes off. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.98, but then they're going to be just 99 cents each after that if you did this deal individually. But again, we're going to stack all these deals together for that booster. All right, the last deal. This is probably my favorite deal. You want to grab one of these Oral-B Glide Pro Health, not toothpaste. All right, so this is probably my favorite deal. You want to grab one of these Oral-B Glide Pro Health flosses and then grab one of these Oral-B Pro Flex toothbrushes. So you're going to grab both of these. Now they're both on sale for $4 each. There's a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Glide. floss, and there's one for the toothbrush. So $1 off of each of those. So high out of pocket is $6, but you're going to get a $4 register reward. So that's really great there. Plus, you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back on the floss and $1 back on the toothbrush. And because you did 2 different rebates, you're going to get a 25-cent bonus on top of that from Ibotta. Your final cost is going to be free and a 25-cent Moneymaker. So excited about that. So again, you're going to get that $4 Catalina back there. All right, let me pull back and talk about numbers. So you want to also, when you go to checkout, the total should come up to $15.96 after all the digitals are applied. Then I typed in the code new you at checkout, and that brought my total down to $14.66. Now this is before tax. I got back the $3 register reward for the Colgate, the $4 register reward for the Oral-B. I got 2,000 points in Walgreens cash, or $2 in Walgreens cash, plus we got a $5 bonus Walgreens cash for spending $20. Plus, I submitted to Ibotta and got $2.25 back there, and Rakuten has not come back yet, but I think I figured the math out, should be 32 cents back, making all of this completely free and a $1.91 moneymaker. So excited about this deal. If you like these quick Walgreens deals and you want to do them yourself, let me know in the comments if you are going to do this deal or something similar to this. Now, I will tell you, everybody's boosters do vary. So your booster may be, $5 back for 25 or something like that. So definitely check your account and see what your account says. But mine was $5 back on 20. So I'm really excited about this amazing, amazing deal. Now, the one other thing you do want to take note of is you cannot use Walgreens cash on a booster and get that back. So I did have to pay a large out of pocket, unfortunately. But to get that all back is going to be well worth it. Okay, guys, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.